Upstairs Dave here. Got a new car. Got it sent in the mail.
Some sort of a Dodge something or other.
Challenger, new Dodge Challenger RT.
Brand new Challenger RT. If you trust your own judgment, you could be Dodge material.
Here's a picture of the RT with the 440 six-pack engine. Check out the hood. That's the signifier. It's hard to find them that way. Everybody put the big hood scoops on them. Here it is in Vanishing Point. That's the classic Dodge Challenger. And here's the Ramcharger, the drag car that was built by the Ramcharger group. Not a Dodge Charger, Dodge Challenger, but built by the Ramchargers, which was a group of Dodge guys that kind of split off from Chrysler and might have still worked there, might have not, but either way, they were building some race cars and mostly drag cars. I think all drag cars, actually. Anyway, there's a lot of different pictures of this car in various states. Here's the one that came in the mail, and you can see it's much smaller than the actual size version. This is HO Scale Racing 164. This is an Auto World car from their Legends of the Quarter Mile series. They're apparently making 3 of these. And this is one of them. This is my first Auto World car and the only pancake motor car that I currently own. So here's the thing. I lost one of the little springs already. It's on the floor somewhere. It got lost, and my wife found it once, and I lost it again. So I ordered some more springs, and there they are, and that's how small they are. And that's how I lost them. So here's what we're going to do to replace the springs. First, going to get the body off, because I think that just makes things easier, and also because I have a tendency to break things, so the fewer things that are near me, the fewer things I can break. So let's just put that over here. Okay, so there's the Auto World, I guess this was what you'd call a Thunderjet style slot car. Fins, not pins, I suppose. So I had to take the metal shoe off. Looking at these springs in the bag and thinking about how I'm going to get them out of there. I ordered this plastic tool for no real reason. It came in real handy in this situation. There it is, so tiny. So this is right about how I lost the other one, trying to get it in the right place. I know it looks simple, but when you're as old as I am, which isn't that old, but your eyes aren't as good, and it makes you wonder why you picked this scale in the first place. So I put the shoe back on, and that's another good way to lose the little metal spring. At that point, it can just go boing and disappear forever. And now you can see it's nice and bouncy, both on the left and on the right. These cars are really different than the Tyco cars that I usually run. The motors are in differently. Sideways engine. I don't understand these cars. They're not like Tyco cars. Anyway, we'll put the body back together and give it some testing. We'll put the body back together and go for a spin. And go for some racing. And let's go try it out. Okay, I'll turn on the slot car room. And now we'll just race. You can see after this wreck, it takes me a little while longer to recover than usual. These Auto World cars, they don't have pins like the Tyco cars. They have a little fin that has to be aligned with the slot in the track to put it back in there. If I was racing these, I think I'd swap those out. So there you have it. 1971 Dodge Challenger Ramcharger drag car.